The Sustainable Development Goals are very important to the future of people and the planet. Every one of us can do something to help. But only by working together can we achieve all of the goals. SDG 17 is about governments, businesses and ordinary people working together. Although the goals are global, they require action at the national, regional and local levels. Working together is not always easy. People speak different languages. They have different cultures. What is very important to one group might be less important to another. Communication is important. Without communication, we cannot truly work together. How can two people communicate if only one of them has a phone? Only when both people have a phone can they talk to each other. Before countries can work together, they need to be equal in certain ways. They need to have computers, roads, schools, airports, and so on to become true partners in solving the world's problems.